System rebooted.
Yeah, the game kind of, you know, it's really hard to kill people nowadays.
It really is. Yeah, so I'm doing is I'm playing with this gear. All I had in my inventory was all purple sealed caches. I had nothing of use. Nothing at all. Complete and utter garbage. No, you know, my thought is, you know, it's okay if you have things to do. I mean, there's a better than average chance that get a new server anyway.
Yeah.
Limit, and it's 3 times. If I die 3 times by the same rogues, I stop messing with them.
Yeah, I guess it's totally, you know, logical. Oh, damn, dude.
That was a nice try, man.